All right, how about some crypto? Okay, Ethereum. Here's a 4-hour chart. Trend line has been hit. This was in last night's post, and we also have, this is actually what's this thing drawn off the bottom is not a channel. It's actually a shift fork. So, you know, anyway, yes, I am looking for us to trade off a little bit. If we do, then pay close attention to probably like 2,800 at this point for support in Ethereum, okay? Bitcoin, remember our simple pitchfork here on Bitcoin, and we nailed it, nailed the low. So at this point, only levels really to be aware of for, I mean, yesterday's high was on a pretty good spot. Maybe a tad higher. Gariel says, do I think gold will break up or down? Well, I don't think about it. I'm just saying if we do break out to the upside, then go with it, right? You don't want to like predict necessarily, right? The market right now, gold is trading right at or right under a massive, you know, barrier. And if you break through the barrier, then go with the break, right? Until then, hurry up and wait. It's kind of the best way to think about it. Okay. All right. So I'll look out like this way for Bitcoin anyway. 46.85 is a spot. But other than that, I mean, maybe we go back to this upper parallel at some point. You know, I'm not really sure. You know, we did identify the big low back here. You're probably going to want to pay attention to the trend line here off of this low. If you ever get down into it, I would watch for support from that. So that's about all I've got in terms of the crypto stuff. That's obviously a very big spot down here, right? 2 big lows. So if you got a sharp pullback over the next week or so, or 3 or 4 days, that would be support, okay? Or that would be proposed support, I should add.